After last week's tornadoes left many without homes, now people are forced to figure out how exactly to rebuild. KETK's Tori Bean spoke with a man who lost his house, who says he doesn't have insurance to fix it. Tori.
Sarah, Robert Baker says he's been living in his late grandmother's home in Cushing while he remodels it. The house now that's here right behind me has been declared a total loss and will have to be demolished. The night of the tornadoes, he didn't even know there was a warning.
I was in bed asleep. I was unaware that it was even under a tornado warning, or I knew it was under a watch. I didn't know it was under a warning.
A loud noise woke him up. Baker said it sounded like something hit the side of the house, so he got out of bed to see shingles hitting the ground.
Tried to open the front door and it wouldn't open. And the second time I pulled on, when I pulled on the second time, that's when that tree fell on the house and hit me and pushed me down to the floor.
Baker suffered a broken jaw, an injured ankle, and had to have surgery. He is beyond grateful for everyone that has stopped by. He is especially to Representative Louis Gomert, who personally checked on him in the hospital.
The people coming together. I actually realized you find out who your friends are. I felt that a lot. This hurts, it really does, but you know, this can be replaced.
After the tornadoes passed, neighbors checked on each other in this tight-knit community. Some saying you could hear people yelling, "Are you okay?" Some homes suffered minor damage, while others, like Robert Baker's, were destroyed.
And made it onto the porch, and that was when my first neighbor, he had walked over, and I realized that I was not as injured as my neighbor Robert, because I could hear him crying for help. And I could hear the baby over there crying, so I knew the baby was okay. So here we are.
Now Baker and his neighbors are left trying to figure out what to do next. Cushing is grateful for all the support they have received. Now homeowners are waiting for insurance or FEMA to be able to get back on their feet. In Cushing, Tori Bean, KETK News.